So you've got one of these in your hand. Congratulations. It's worth tens of thousands of dollars in credit and savings that your bad credit's costing you. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to turn it into $300 worth of real money. So let's talk about what you might be going through. Maybe you walked into a car dealership excited to buy a car, to only have the salesperson's attitude flip the second that they saw your credit. Maybe worse, you got the car and it's worth half of what you paid for it, and you ended up paying sky-high interest rates. Or you got turned down completely. Or maybe you tried to buy a home, apply for a car loan, or even get a simple credit card for the holidays, and they keep giving you the same thing. You're hitting that same brick wall. And it might be worse. You might be having collectors calling, repossessions hanging over your head, and negative marks that just won't go away. It's frustrating, and it feels like you're stuck. That's exactly why we're here. We're a credit management firm that helps people rebuild, repair, and restore their credit step by step. We start by working through a proven dispute process to challenge and remove negative items from your credit report. Things like collections, charge-offs, repossessions that are unverifiable, outdated, or just wrong in some other way. Then we help you rebuild step by step with our programs like our Credit Card Champion course to help you get new approvals and move up the ladder to the best cards. Our Realtor Ready Roadmap to help you qualify for your dream home. Or our Auto Approval Academy to help you get back behind the wheel. No matter what's holding your back, we will walk you through it. Here's why it's perfect timing to start. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the credit bureaus and creditors must respond within 30 days of the dispute. But right now, during the holidays, and then even times with these office slowdowns in the government, that 30-day window will work to your advantage. It's a strategic time. It gets results because responses can slip through the cracks and deletions have to happen. Plus, around the holidays, many lenders are opening up and approving new credit lines, and we'll guide you to the one that you're most likely to qualify for. And because of the holidays, we're doing something special. Normally, there's a $300 setup fee. But when you use this $100 drop card, it's nothing up front. This $100 turns into $300 in real money, and it's tripled in value, and your monthly payment doesn't even start for 30 days later. That means that you can get started today fixing your credit for zero out of pocket. Imagine a few months from now, driving that new car, moving into that new home, and finally getting that credit card that you deserve. That's the future we want to help you create. So click Get Started below and then turn this $100 drop card into a brighter future, and we'll guide you every step of the way starting today. Hit the Get Started below.